Subscribe my channel. We're going to give you pizza like this. Cheese inside.
Thank you. Also.
Like. You like.
做緊飯嚟 wraps，面對到那讀緊樓 in tuition 緊樓 in picture 真係緊樓數啫，阿樓石數隻隻hindi，哇，ini ahi，
Taco.
Uy, mamak din. He said this is for me special. Open there.
What is inside?
We got special surprise. Wow. Wow, cute too. It's same?
Huh?
It's same. Okay.
One comes with 4 pieces.
Wow. Happy M.
I want to eat this.
Mukbang kan lo tiang.
Cheese.
This for you. Okay.
I cannot see wearing, right? Okay. Wearing mukbang doll.
Are we going to
Taco.
Daddy, you come here. We got those special. Just couple of No, new about this one. Bring up
Too sharp. Bring another one.
strawberry lẹ. Bekang kaya.
Don't need this.
Tuy lâu cho nó. Nice. Very into topping na doon ba? Ito na.
That is for you, Daddy.
You have here. This is for you. You don't need to cut, just peel it up. Break it like this.
Hang me.
This is keema something. And this is chili
What is
with
this?
sauce.
I got also.
What is this white one?
Cheese.
Hmm?
Cheese.
Oh,
It's not hot.
Drink, ma?
No. What is in there? Wait,
I don't know.
this is for me.
What do you like to?
I don't want. Don't put for me, okay?
What?
This one, there's chili.
For me, I like more. Tuy. Jadi, pani.
S-P-I-C-Y. R-O.
There, near your back. Ito.
Inside. And this is cheese.
Yes.
See, this one. Inside is not hot, no? And outside?
I give my wife.
Just stop me on the way. They asked me to open the car. Asked me what is inside.
Oh,
Police.
where?
From Dominos, I have to take under bridge. Come inside there.
There's nothing there.
Car cover is there.
The keema.
What is this? It's a car cover.
This is
Maybe
for me.
they're strict because of drug, I think. Drug.
Stick.
Yeah? It's spicy? It's spicy or not?
Subscribe. for my channel.
Mm-hmm. Sweet.
Sweet Daddy.
That's sweet. Is it?
Little. I was
It's
eating
sweet.
with chili.
Mm-hmm.
For me, I like pizza.
It's sweet, not that.
Give it that on the banana dog.
Mm-hmm. I'll pass a little bit.
So caring.
Yeah.
Well, come on.
I like more. But Taco Bell is more tasty than another Taco Bell. They are special. I know. Tissue
You
paper,
only
but
eat
don't
again,
take.
you don't get dirty. No, no.
Like you will give.
Who's giving two burgers?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to use again. Yeah.
This is meatball.
This one is different. Oh, no, this one more chicken.
What is that?
Meatball.
When I mean spices,
Sausage.
Wednesday
Yes,
or
sausage.
Tuesday is
Yes.
Domino's.
But it's spicy, no?
Cheap beef there. Wednesday is KFC, buy one get one free.
Mommy.
And Saturday, we used to go. But get one by one. We used to eat.
You buy so yummy one.
Because you like that one only.
Pizza. One piece of pizza. You guys, one piece of pizza. Okay.
Explain how it's yummy or not. Yeah.
You try it? We buy for you. We're going to buy for you.
No, Valreen will buy for you. Okay? Valreen has so much money. You have money or not?
No.
That money you showed me yesterday, where is it? Did he show you? Did he show you? Money.
Small money.
Mm-hmm.
I will give you. Take him to my phone. My children, every time they bring that money, we are very rich. Sometimes we all have 500 not this thick. They brought.
So where is the capital?
Small one, no?
Toy.
They buy money and with real money they buy fake money.
I will eat.
You like him?
Put more.
Did you say daddy thank you?
Put more.
No.
Did you say daddy thank you?
Yeah.
Hotdog.
For me, no?
So it's not it.
One,
What is it?
Mommy, three of sizes.
What shape is there?
Triangle. one I don't know.
How many sides is there?
3.
3 sides. How many corner?
What is this?
How many corner?
Corner?
Mm.
Where's this corner?
Corner. How many corner?
Mm.
Count how many corner?
1, 3. Thiam.
1, 2, 3. What is that? I say what?
How would they come here in mizo?
Huh?
Come here in mizo.
Miso. What is this?
Cheese.
Cheese.
How would they
Did
come
you-
here in mizo?
Come here in miso.
There.
What?
Roncario.
Mm.
Roncario.
How to tell? It's very tasty in miso. Then how to tell? Try this in
Try
miso.
this. Try this. Mm.
Hey there. Hey there.
Eve.
Raw.
Eve.
Correct?
I'm a chingo. You know last time. I'm going to sleep, Hamilton.
Come to.
Thank you, how to tell?
Hello, me.
Yeah, good night, how to tell?
Good night.
How to tell good night? How to tell good night?
Good and night.
How to tell? Mắng.
Huh?
Mắng.
Manchester.
Mong chào there. Yeah. Tôi nghe
Share.
ipi mình.
Share. Eat okay.
Tôi nghe ipi mình. Nung mà pi mình khác.
Chứ mà pi cái này đâu.
Cái này khá ai rồi mình ha. Api thằng bên sáng khá donut sáng khá. Tông là mình.
Dạ chứ.
Như vậy. Apu khá mình khá.
Mất.
Yeah.
Cheese or what?
Yeah.
This is taste right.
Như vậy. Tell your father name. After you put cheese me too many, very cheese is tasty. More
I like
tasty.
cheese.
It's just cheese.
I also like this, just cheese.
Mommy, what is this?
Just veg. This is normal.
No, upside.
Very cheese is tasty. I like this one also, but a cheese inside it too. More.
More flavorful.
Guys, actually little.
Guys. Did you hear, guys?
Guys,
Guys, come on. It's actually little. Guys.
very katungay kaming kay maming.
Kasi lang.
Isa din ka. Tell my name.
VL.
VL sila.
Chunky.
Sila ka.
VL chunky.
More long. My full name ka. Tell my name. Long one ka.
One, no?
The one. I don't know.
One.
Vanilla sausage.
Yeah. Daddy name.
Robin Fendel.
Then Dadu name.
And me also you forgot.
Oh, then your name.
Very little sucker Fendel.
Okay. Your Nini name.
Nini?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nini? Nini. Forgot
My
you
sister.
have
My sister
Nini,
name.
no? You have Nini, no?
That is your sister. You are my sister.
I'm your father. My sister, what's her name?
Nini.
Your Nini?
What's her name? Nini is, what's her name?
I need water.
What's her name? Nika.
Subscribe my channel and give a like.
Subscribe, okay?
Yeah.
Subscribe my channel. We're going to give you pizza like this. Cheese inside.
Thank you. Also.
Like. You like. And so many like you have to give me.
And more?
And you subscribe me. My channel.
Whom you want to do bye-bye? Tell their name.
Who want to do the bye-bye to me?
Whom you want to do bye-bye?
Whom you want to do bye-bye to
Like
you?
Anu, Abba,
Janima like that, huh?
and who
Janima.
else?
Janima loko rolo is zero churo.
Janima. Nunguro. You evero.
Iyan ba izi ano? Apa TV? Yando pa dito. Kakamot yan may peg doon. Panila na yan, pakatay pa doon may. Next na po, pa doon na may.
I don't know why. Because I like.
One more?
Like button. Can you give us? Just that no.
One more? Valreen.
You want more pizza?
Yeah.
Yes.
You want to eat some more? Yes or no? Pick one.
One.
No problem, if you
One
want,
more.
you can eat, you can finish if you want.
I want to finish.
Yeah, finish this one, then we'll see. If you're still hungry, then you'll give.
I'm still hungry.
Up to you to have.
Wow, she finished entire one. Only 2 pieces left.
Yeah. It's
She's
a
going.
bit.
She finished this 2 side.
You have to eat this, okay?
She's going to eat
She
this
didn't
one.
try
And
anything.
let's see.
Very mukbang niya.
Yeah, very good this time. Otherwise,
Mukbang.
she used
What
to
is
eat only the
mukbang?
bread and take out everything. But this time
Yeah.
she's eating everything. Good
She used to
job.
remove a part.
I don't want to.
You tell them,
I
guys.
don't want.
You tell them, guys.
Guys.
I don't want to what?
You have to tell something. Tell something to
I
them.
want. Can you give us a like, please?
No, just talking about something here.
No.
I don't want to remove everything. What you say?
I just want to eat like that.
Everything.
Yes.
Good.
You can try spicy one.
No. Look at that. Look at like that.
Cheese is there.
Yeah. And me also. Inside here.
Talk in Hindi with daddy.
अंदर में चीज है ना
क्या?
इसके अंदर में चीज है ना
हाँ.
अंदर में चीज खाएगा सब खा लेगा और शेयर करेगा?
नहीं,
नहीं करेगा।
मेरा है तो।
ये तुम्हारा है। तुमको पिज्ज़ा अच्छा लगता है नहीं लगता है?
नहीं लगता है।
अच्छा लगता है। पिज्ज़ा अच्छा है।
हम्म,
कितना अच्छा है?
100 मिनट।
100 मिनट अच्छा है, ठीक है। इसके अंदर क्या है?
चीज।
कितना सारा चीज़ है?
बहुत सारा है।
बहुत सारा है, बहुत सारा चीज़ है। और क्या क्या है इसके अंदर? बस सिर्फ चीज़ है ना?
हाँ।
सिर्फ चीज़ है। और क्या अच्छा लगता है?
चीज है ना?
एक्सपेंसिव चीज़ है। और पिज्ज़ा के अलावा और कुछ पसंद है तुमको?
नहीं होता।
क्या पसंद है चीज़ के अलावा? चीज़ बोल रहा हूँ, पिज़्ज़ा के अलावा कुछ और पसंद है? अच्छा लगता है? क्या? बर्गर?
ये देखो।
ये देखो।
चीज है तो।
हाँ, इसके अंदर चीज़ है तो। कितना सारा, बहुत सारा चीज़ है ना?
हाँ।
अच्छी लड़की। How much you eat in Hindi? Aditya, how much you eat in Hindi?
कितना खाए?
कितना खाया?
Then how to tell you are so good girl?
You're so good girl in Hindi.
You're so good means तुम बहुत अच्छी लड़की हो. If you want to say to yourself, I am good girl, you have to say मैं बहुत अच्छी लड़की हूँ. मैं बहुत अच्छी लड़की हूँ.
Hey, thả lỏng. Đây rồi lỏng. Hey, lỏng.
Someone is calling you.
Đi nào, sau cặp cặp.
Hey, kan ay so to le. Hey, kan ay so lao niya. Dong ta alo ziat vi a hay. A ziat dan zong hi mak he hu sin hay. A ti khati zong hi ziat dei. Khati zong hi ziat tui tu lo. Kan ziat ro khati kan ziat ro le. Ti kan ziat vi tak tak de. A tui sia mo. I ziat vi ngai lo. Lo hoi te. Lo hoi te. I thiam em. Thiam mo.